Hello, my name is Mrs. Egan and welcome to IB Business Management. I am so excited to welcome your students back into my classroom this year. In this video, I am going to give you a brief overview of this course, and I will show you how to access my assignments in Schoology, as well as how to contact me. Last year, we started using Schoology as our main learning platform, and we will continue to do so this year. One of the few things that I have posted in our course is our syllabus. Now, the things that we will cover in this course include business organization and environment, human resource management, finance and accounts, marketing, and operations management. With each topic, you can see what sections we will be covering throughout the school year. There is a textbook for this course, and that textbook was given to students last week, which is this Oxford Business Management textbook. So each student was checked out a textbook, and they are responsible for keeping that textbook and will return that at the end of the school year. Now, as part of our SL course, there will be an internal assessment that will be due next semester, which is worth 25% of the IB score, as well as the IB exams that take place in the spring. Now, students are not required to join DECA, but they are more than welcome to do so, as many of my DECA members are IB Business Management students. Now, when you go to Schoology, under the materials section, you will see the assignments posted. At the beginning of the school year, we had a student teacher that has joined our class, and she will be with us through mid-October. The way that she organizes her daily classwork is she does that through each day. So by looking at Thursday, for example, you can see that she posted a 7 functions of marketing assignment, as well as a slide deck for the lecture that she did in class. I love having a Schoology and the fact that if a student is out, they are able to see what they missed that day in class, so they don't have to worry about falling behind. If you are not sure if your student has turned in assignments, on the left side of the pane, you will have something that looks similar to this. For you, rather than gradebook, it will say grades. When you click on grades, you can see any assignments that have been posted to her gradebook. While we don't use that as our main gradebook, you can see things that have been assigned through Schoology, and whether or not an assignment has been turned in. On the updates section, you will see any announcements that I have made. Like I mentioned before, many of our IB students are members of DECA. If you are interested in getting updates about DECA, or if your student is interested in joining DECA, I encourage them to join or remind by texting at IHS DECA 22 to 81010. There you will get updates about membership as well as upcoming events. And I welcome you to follow us on our Instagram at Inglemore DECA. For grades, to find the most recent grades that have been posted, I do encourage you to go to Parent View. And if you see an assignment that you know that your student has told you they've turned in, but it is showing in the gradebook as missing, please do not hesitate to contact me and I will look into it. Now, the best way to contact me is through Schoology. That way I can see which student you are inquiring about, as well as the class that you are inquiring about. You just have to click on the envelope icon in the top right corner to send me a message through Schoology. That will be the easiest and the fastest way to contact me. If you have any questions, once again, please don't hesitate to ask, as I am so happy to help the students get through this year to hopefully continue learning and finishing the school year in person. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your day.